Step inside Celebrity Edge's Concierge Class, where upscale design meets oceanfront serenity. From the refined entryway, past the king-size bed, all the way to your very own Infinite Veranda. This is modern cruising redefined.
Welcome to the room tour. Come on in. This is your concierge class cabin, 11187. This is the bathroom, your luxurious bathroom. Come on in. Get this gorgeous glass shower enclosed. You got your shampoo, conditioner, body wash provided, head shower.
And another fun fact, this door, just found out how kind of soundproof it is. If you're in the shower, I could not hear her, and she was at the sink. Beautiful, like marble flooring look, walls. Got that step bar. But the way you turn it on is the right side. Temperatures on the left side, for those unfamiliar. And then your shower head goes up and down.
Toilet. Right, then we got your garbage can down here with the lid on it. You got your extra toilet paper and Kleenex.
Freeze it right there. There's a hairdryer in this drawer underneath the sink.
All your towels. You got your bar soap up here and the extra shelving on both sides. Body lotion and Kleenex box as well. And as far as plugs go, you have one over here, and I believe one is all you get in this bathroom. As far as storage goes, you have a shelf up here. You have two umbrellas that are provided. Down here, you have more storage, a few more shelves, and then this is your main closet. With some hangers, you got a couple robes in here, along with a safe and a few drawers. Pretty good space. All right, then we're going over here. You got more drawers. That one's a little bit deeper. And then over here, you've got your refrigerator. And all that stuff is extra, except for when you are a concierge, you are gifted this sparkling wine. This water, you have to pay extra. So I would recommend getting your own bottle or canteen or whatever you have and go upstairs and fill it up yourself. In here you got all your plugs. This desk comes with all your information you need upon arrival. Each day your attendant will come in here, your room person will come in here each day and give you a new one for the day coming next on events and stuff like that. Anyway, there's a welcome aboard note. You're gonna have your excursion envelope as well. And they also do like a necklace charm thing upon arrival. And then throughout your stay, they'll do like you go and collect charms throughout the week. When you move your chair out of the way, you can actually push this in from a room and it creates a full-length mirror for you if you need to see your full body and outfits. Here is your couch. It also converts into a bed. If you have 3 people staying with you in a room, your attendant will do that for you at night. They will turn down the beds. And over here, we have your bedside table. This is your only plug-in that you're gonna have. All right, then you got a king-size bed. It's very comfortable. Let's see. Yes, I pass. It's good. Okay, Then you got your TV, flat screen, right in front of your bed. And your phone. No plugins over here. And yep, you got your writing tool, and if you want to take notes on something, and your extra storage down there. This area is cool. You actually can get some privacy if your person is still sleeping, you're early morning, you want to hang out, enjoy the view. You can actually close both these sides. Bye. Okay. Push the other one. Okay, then you got your two chairs here, seating area. You can enjoy the beautiful view as you go. You have what works as window. It goes up and down, like so. It will only go down halfway for your safety. And when it is down, the air in your room will shut off for energy reasons. So we will put that back up because it is a hot day in Sydney today. Oh my gosh, this is really slow. To show you the blackout curtain, I actually have to move the furniture out of the way. It does have a sensor so it won't drop. So this next button, and your attendant will, once he draws down the beds, he will shut this for you at night. And he'll give you mood lighting. That is a slow process. And you can actually, if you have the app, you can work all this on your phone. So you don't have to hold the button or get out of bed to do this. And you actually have extra storage down here for all your luggage.
So daily with the concierge class rooms, apparently you get a nice snack. What better place to enjoy it? Let's see what we got. A fork is needed. And let's see. Oh, adorable, huh? Looks like some ceviche, chips, deviled eggs, and dessert. Maybe cheesecake.
And that concludes your room tour for Concierge Class Cabin for the Celebrity Edge, room 11187. I forgot what I was going to say. I didn't even take a tour of the bathroom, so I don't know what's in it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Well,